Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install ChatGPT on Android. So let's get into it. First of all, open Chrome browser on your Android device and go to chat.openai.com. Log into your account. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Add to Home Screen. Add a name for the app icon and then click Add. Once you've added it, you can quickly open ChatGPT by tapping on its app icon on the home screen of your Android phone. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.